we are going to add and subtract fractions. This is the operation we have. And what we are going to do is to have three different forms which aim to the same idea, which is to get common denominators. So, first of all, we are going to get 9 as a common denominator. 1/3 to become 9, so I have to multiply by 3, 3 over 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. And so we have 3 9s. But what about 4/6? How is 6 going to become 9? So for this, what we are going to do is 2 steps. First, we divide. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2/3 is an equivalent fraction to 4/6. So it means I am going to amplify it and it is going to be an equivalent 1. So 3 times 3 is 9. I already have 9 as a denominator. Then 2 times 3 is 6. 6 9s is equivalent to 4/6. Another form will be to multiply the fraction by 1.5 over itself, which is 1, right? 1.5 times 6 is 9, and well, I will have to know the very specific number, but it is a way. So the fact is we have 9 as a denominator. So we are going to say this is unnecessary to write it like this. I can just have it over the common denominator and I just do the addition. 3 plus 6, 9, plus 5 is 14, which is 14 9s. However, 14 9s is an improper fraction, so I am going to divide. 14 divided by 9. 14 divided by 9. 9 in 14 fits 1 time. 1 times 9 is 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. So we have this 5 over here, and it says we already have 1 and 5 9s. 1, which is the quotient, the whole number, and the remainder becomes our numerator. So it is 1 unit and 5 9s. That is the result. We want to see that same operation with another form. Now, this time we are getting the common denominator in the popular way, which is the one we learned at school. It is to get 3, 6, and 9, our denominators, with a common factor. In this case is 3. And check it out. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we already have prime numbers here. So we don't need to keep on going. We don't need to keep on dividing. And look at what we do. We multiply. 3 times 1, 3. Times 2, 6. Times 3 is 18. So 18 is our least common denominator. And so we are going to say, for this fraction 1/3 to have 18s as a denominator, well, we are going to multiply by 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. Now, 4/6, this fraction, we wanted to have 18 as a denominator, we are going to multiply by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And then 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we say 18 divided by 9 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And so that's the way that they teach us at school. We have it as this is unnecessary. It might be clear for us to have separated fractions, which are equivalent fractions to the ones we have here on the left. However, this is 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 1, 6. 18 divided by 6, 3. Times 4 is 12. 18 divided by 9, 2. 5 times is 10. And that's the whole thing, right? That's the secret. Then we do the addition. 10 plus 12, 22, plus 6, 28. 28 over 18, we can get halves, so 14 nines. And this is familiar to us, yeah, it's the very same 1 and 5 nines we got before. Thank God we have the same answer, of course. Now, this time we want just to get not a different method, once again, but we want to realize about something important. Now, we want to convert 4/6 into thirds, as we can tell that it can become equivalent. So 2/3, well, not equivalent, but with the same denominator. So 2/3, yeah, plus 1/3, yeah, we already have common denominator 3, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 over 3 is what? 3 over 3 is 1. It means this part of the operation is 1. 1 plus 5 nines. Easy peasy. 1 unit, right? Then 1 plus 5 nines, yeah, this is the symbol. This arrow is the symbol for them. So it represents 1 and 5 nines, which is, equivalent to this improper fraction. So if we see it in a graph, it might be even easier to understand. And so we have 1/3, which is here, 1/3 plus 4/6. 1, 2, 3, 4/6. And we can tell that 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3. 2/3 plus 1/3 is 1. Yeah? So what are we missing here? We are missing 1/3. And so it represents the whole unit, this unit, right? And then 5 nines. We can tell that this unit, yeah, is equivalent to 1, is equivalent to 4/6 and 1/3. Yeah, it is 1 unit. And then we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 nines. So this is 14 nines. The result of our addition. Kids, I hope you have understood and learned a lot.